Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're making tofu. It's also called awara in northern Nigeria. If you love tofu or just want to know how to make it, keep watching while I take you through a step-by-step method for making your own tofu at home. Let's get started. For this recipe you'll need soya beans. Start by measuring 4 cups of soya beans. Add enough water to cover up the beans and cover to soak for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, it should have doubled in size and swollen up. Wash properly and remove the dirt. Add soya beans into your blender and blend. You are going to need to blend this till it's very smooth. Soya beans requires lots of water to blend. Blend till very smooth. Then go ahead and transfer to a bowl. Add some water and rinse and pour into the bowl. Add a bit of palm oil. Yeah, I know you might be wondering why palm oil. Just a little bit, it's quite optional. Adding palm oil prevents it from foaming up while cooking. Sieve using a cheesecloth. I actually divided the blended soya beans into 2, so I'm going to sieve twice. I divided it into 2 because it's too much for me to strain all at once, and I want to make sure I get out all the milk. I'll strain the remaining. You will need to squeeze out all the milk. If you find that there's still milk that's not strained, just add some more water and squeeze out the milk. Transfer to a big pot and cook. Cover and heat up. You will need to watch closely. When you anticipate that it's about to start boiling, open the pot and keep checking within intervals. At the point where it's about to start boiling, keep watching it because it happens really fast. We don't want our soya milk pouring out. Mix some vinegar with some water. Vinegar acts as a coagulant. It helps the soya milk curdle. You can either use lemon or lime as a coagulant. You can use pap water or vinegar. The reason for adding palm oil before sieving was to prevent foaming up while cooking. Had we not added palm oil, it would have had lots of foamy bubbles at the top. In case you decide not to use palm oil, when it starts foaming up, scoop out the foam. This is what I was talking about. When it starts boiling, it happens really fast. Quickly add the coagulant to prevent further spilling. Add the coagulant gently till it starts to curdle. This is what it should look like. The water has separated from the curdled soya milk. Take out of heat and add into a cheesecloth. I'll be dividing mine into 2. I'll add a bit of salt and seasoning cube and stir properly. This is quite optional. You can do this afterwards just before frying. Go ahead and squeeze out the water. Put something heavy on it to help take out the water. Take out of the cheesecloth and cut into whatever shape and size you want. Go ahead and sieve the remaining. To this, add some seasoning and some chopped onions and pepper and mix properly. Then take out the water. It's best to put something heavy on it. This is our tofu and it's time to cut. Cut into whatever shape and size you like. This is our tofu, the one with the pepper and onions, and this is the plain one. Heat up some oil and fry. Our tofu is all ready now, and it's time to take it out of the oil. You can enjoy this with yaji or sauce, or yaji with thinly sliced onion and cabbage. You can enjoy it with any sauce of choice. Thanks for watching. Bye.